get your charred cloth and your flint and steel, which is what they would have been doing in the Alamo.
To light.
To make fire.
But you're not.
There we go. Whoa! Dan? You all never seen fire before? I'm not saying anything.
You going?
Ninong is
It's on.
Is it?
On the bottom.
We
want
Fuck! I got that on video.
That one was on fire.
He's like Jesus.
I'm a fire sign.
Carissa's turn. Carissa's turn. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. I do not condone this. I disagree, but I am going to film.
Did you touch the fire yet? Yeah. No, you didn't! Liar! Pants on fire! Stop making his pants on fire!
Dad, you want to touch fire?
Oh, that's not. That was. I know.
Dad, you want to touch fire?
Scared!
Be fast.
No.
Just like that.
Well, the longer you wait, the more it's going to burn.
It literally just feels like hot air.
Yeah, but the more you wait, the more it's going to... There you go.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
We're here camping. What's the date today? The September
20th.
20th.
The raid.
2019, the raid. This is Kumeyaay Lake Campground. What are you doing, Jordan? Who's the director of TYP, and this is a camp out to train for their role in Burn Part Boys. What are you doing?
Well, Gavin tried to put a log in the fire and missed entirely, so it's there. Dylan, you want to grab that for us?
I'm scared. Can you
Why?
do it? I don't know.
Come on.
Oh my God, Dylan! Stop it!
Larry is not gonna like reach out, and if you hang out, it's gonna burn
Carissa,
you. So
you're thinking this is dumb boy stuff, aren't you? Yeah.
See, that one made it in.
Come on, let's go. Dylan, come on.
Okay.
All right, so
Dude, a little kid beat you.
and grab
What? You got it out though!
Come on.
Come on,
Oh my God, Dylan! Shut up.
He did it.
Yeah!
Yo, Adrian, I did it.
We're gonna put this big one on the side.
Why did you just touch the fire? Did you just touch the fire?
Like fire.
You know what? He came a boy and left a... Are you letting your kids come with Jordan next time? Go ahead.
Yeah. Well, just that way they understand what it kind of feels like.
You ain't gonna like it, but that's okay.
There you go.
Actually, it's not bad. I know.
What did he drink it with? What did he drink it with?
Nothing.
It's not bad.
I like it.
Oh, I feel the burn.
There it is. Okay.
It's not bad.
It tastes good.
Yeah. I actually liked it. Me and Asher are the only ones.
That's what I was expecting everybody
Well,
to do.
that's it. You gotta understand. He likes milk too.
Jordan,
Yes, sir.
morning one, what are we doing?
We are drinking coffee. That's the first order of business. We're cooking that breakfast. We got bacon, we got toast, we got sausage, and that skillet over there. We got our fire going. We're getting ready.
Who's the cook?
Carissa Shelton.
Who's the other cook?
Steve-O.
Ooh, that butter's gonna taste good. Okay, now there's something in there.
And if you want to look right through those trees, that's where we're going hiking today.
Coles?
No, TYP. When he says we, he means they.
I thought it was.
You guys ready to hike TYP?
They are.
That mountain was named after a fish, koi, and pay is that you pay for fish. Am I right, Jordan?
No, but I like it.
Okay.
No. This is epic.
Oh, I'm so out of shape.
How you doing, Gavin?
Not good.
How you doing, Asher?
Good.
James is fine. Scotty?
Please go for it. Go for it.
Everybody doing okay?
Ready? I'm ready for some more.
That's what you call okay?
Please.
Okay.
More. Ready, set, Super Bohemian Rhapsody.
Is this the real life?
Here we go.
Is this a fantasy? Caught in a landslide.
Go, boys.
No escape from reality.
Sanctity, honor.
You don't know a thing about those words. I take care of your blood. Of you.
All right, so you're back from the hike. How y'all feeling?
Good.
Oh wow, you are red-faced.
Because we went off-roading.
Woo! He left a boy and returned a man. All right. How'd they do, Jordan?
They did great. They really did great.
What was the goal? You said what the goal was earlier.
The goal was actually to have them experience what it was like being in the woods by themselves. And coming down, they broke off into their respective character groups. So these three were together. These two were together trying to catch
these
up to
two.
them.
So these two, and then those three.
Hey, better group.
What'd you say?
It's the better group.
Yeah, okay.
We made it
So
back
how'd they
before
do?
you.
Tony or Steve, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Look at you,
We had great hike with all the boys.
naked and afraid. You're on the new show. He's not really naked.
Naked and afraid.
So Tony, you and I, what'd we do?
We were roughing it here in this little nice compartment here with air conditioning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We know what the villagers live like now because we could not get this thing below 68 degrees. So they're all in the holler over there. Right over there. In the air condition. What, the last couple hours, guys?
Dad, I don't want to put my shoes on. Can you get me some water?
I do.
Yeah, my son comes out, Dylan, and he's like, Dad, can you eat out of the holler? I'm here playing poker in the heat. I know it's not roughing it, but whatever. They're in the AC, and he's like, Dad, can you? I'm like, there are waters in the hall. Anyway, yeah. So we're playing poker out here. James, Tony, he's the dealer, and Steve. When I said dealer, by the way, I didn't mean anything but cards.
Just cards. Just cards.
Last morning, it's breakfast time,
Really,
Gab.
Dylan?
Oh, what are you mad at him for?
There's
Thought he
literally
took all
like
the
3
eggs?
rounds of more.
Right, Dylan? What's his problem? Is he hungover?
What?
Is he hungover?
Him, yeah. Not me.
8 hours digging. 8 hours digging.
Yeah.